Hey gang, Jason here for The Love of Tractors, and I'm doing another unboxing video. I guess we're back to the I Buy Too Many Farm Toys series of videos here. So, um, this came from my friend Kevin Tolka at Kevin's Farm Toys. He runs weekly auctions during the winter, and there's always some cool stuff to pick up over there. It's always fun just watching what's selling, and I usually end up doing quite a bit of buying too. So Kevin and Amy run a real good farm toy store over there, and if you're ever in Southern Illinois in the Odin area, you should check out their actual farm toy store. They have a actual farm toy store, so it's really cool. Anyway, first up, 9R 540. This has the cool new weights that look really good on the front, and after a little bit of detail work and probably some new wheels and tires, I expect that this will make a really nice custom. So that's going to be something I'm probably going to get on here pretty quick, and we'll see. Maybe stick some LSWs or something on that. We'll see. Next up, so fun fact: I had to go and take care of something, and my wife decided that we needed a Bronco, 67 Bronco. So she was bidding on the auction. But hey, it's kind of cool, right? Like it's 4x4 jacked up. It's like the Barrett Jackson series. That's going to go on the display, so the box doesn't really matter, if we're honest. But pretty neat. So I love these flatbeds. These make for really nice and easy custom. So this is a Ram. You can see it's like a 2020 style. And not a huge fan of the canary yellow paint on the Ram, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. We'll put some toolboxes and such on that flatbed, and we'll have a really neat custom there. So I'm always down for a versatile Delta track. So it got me a 550 at the auction. Versatile customs always sell well. They just do for me anyway. And so it's another one of my wife's purchases at the auction. The Volkswagen T2 double cab with the small cargo trailer. She's after the cargo trailer, I think. But maybe we can do something with the van there as well. We'll see. Speaking of versatiles, following with a silage blade. So this is obviously the earlier of the new paint styles, so you don't have the black and yellow. There's kind of like a mainly red and black scheme there. These make really cool customs too. Fun fact, you can actually just heat these tires up and take them off, and you can put on some mini toy truck and tractor tires right over those rims, and they look very awesome. Got one of these fellas, one of the new black Magnums. I don't know what I'll do with that one. He may just stay that way. We'll see. I don't have one of those in the collection, so maybe I'll just keep him in the collection. Then we got another Ford Bronco. This guy comes with tires. I don't remember buying that one either. Did you? That was my wife's purchase, apparently. Yeah. So anyway, it was a deal, she says. So probably. So we'll take it. And then last, certainly not least, I got an empty box from Ertl. Just kidding. So I'm a big fan of DMI tillage, and I am not a big truck collector, but when I saw this guy, had to have him. Love the DMI farm equipment semi. So that'll have to go on a shelf somewhere, just in the collection. Pretty neat with the decals and all of that. But yeah, pretty cool. I think it was neat. And I kind of misspoke when I said last and not least. Here's last and probably most, if we're honest. I got myself a Jackson four-wheel drive tractor, the 4-44. Super heavy casting, pretty neat. There aren't too many of these in existence. I think there's only 14 of the real ones in existence. But really well done custom piece here. Yeah, like I said, super heavy. At first I thought maybe it was based off a Big Bud, but there is no casting here that is a Big Bud. So this has got to be its own casting, which is really pretty cool. There we go. I'll zoom in better. So, there we go. We got ourselves a Jackson. That'll go in the Dogtown Farms Classic Tractor Museum someday. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.